Hello everyone, I again welcome you all to another interesting hairstyling video tutorial. So just grab your hair accessories and be ready for making some beautiful patterns out of hair. As you can see in the video, the girl is making some beautiful patterns like this, crisscrossing the hair and making lock patterns of the hair, interlocking the small partitions of hair and doing the same like the one is doing in the video, and this pattern is looking damn amazing. Again, we are going to make some another interesting hairstyle by taking the hair out like this and making a ribbon like this, and this is gonna be super amazing. Isn't it looking really beautiful? Now, some interesting hairstyle are there waiting for you in store. Just see, and these lovely pleats are going to make your day. This isn't it looking by making beautiful patterns like this, and your back hairstyle will be make your day. And here are these lovely flowery patterns of 4 is going to make everything amazing in your hair. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Definitely it is. Proceeding further, we have something more for you, and this is how we are going to make some lovely patterns out of hair. Now make a ponytail, and by taking small partitions of hair, make the zigzag patterns out of it, and in this way you will end up getting a beautiful pattern of structure. Just wait for the end result. Proceeding further in the video, yes, taking these colorful ribbons of or thin threads like this and making beautiful patterns out of it. And this pleat is quite amazing, isn't it? For simple hairstyling. Pleats like this, crossing the pleats, making a zigzag patterns out of it. Now just take small partition of the hair and with the help of a rubber band secure it, and by taking small partitions and with the help of rubber band you can just take it out, and this is gonna be super amazing. Now just roll your hair like this in the same manner as the one is doing in the video, and then interlocking it with the help of a rubber band or your bobby pins. You can definitely interlock it, and this beautiful neat bun will make your day. Again, making these lovely patterns is of utter surety. It will make you look damn amazing. Just make some patterns of hair with the help of small rubber band and opening it in the petal of 4. Again, we are going to make something interesting in this by making a puff side. Again, making pleats from the back, from the bottom to the end. And here's the one with the help of interlocking the hair and making zigzag patterns like this by taking small partitions and thin partitions of hair. Up next, we have something interesting, something beautiful that you can always carry out, and these small pleats by taking small partitions and making side pleats like this on both the sides of the hair. Something more we have in store for you all. See, by taking and making pleats like this, crossing the pleats, making a zigzag patterns out of it on both the sides of the hair, and this will make you look damn beautiful and pretty. Thank you.